No. What I mean by no is don't try to resolder that. So those, at least, how about this? The training I have, the pressure relief plugs, they're not using just a generic solder. They are using a specific blend of the alloy, if I'm not mistaken. And it's in there in just the right way. Like it's a process that they do as a safety device that they have to put that cap in, if you will. I do not recommend using just our standard off the shelf solder because that is not the same, and it will not melt because that the solder filler they have in there is designed to melt at a very specific temperature that is supposed to prevent a complete blowout. And what we have is meant for more of like actual line connections, like holding couplings together to where it doesn't blow out. Um, and with a lot of our solders we have on the shelf, that it'll make a hold strong enough to where you'll burst the pipe before you burst the joint. So I don't recommend that. If you're not already in Chiller Academy, I'd really encourage you to go check it out. Just think about it, right? This is what I do full time. I've committed. I've stepped out of the field, committed my career to this going forward. This is what I've always wanted to do, and to be able to educate, help others, and grow, and help this industry take steps forward. So chilleracademy.com. Like I'd love to be able to work with you over there. We've got a community page. All the lessons have a comment section. That's what I spend a lot of my day doing. If I'm not working on the lesson material itself, then I am in the comments and I'm trying to respond to those as fast as I can, in addition to helping you through email and otherwise. So love to be able to work with you. For all of those that are in the academy, y'all are doing some great work out there. Keep it up. I really appreciate the support and the feedback that you've given.